Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards affiliates for each customer or visitor brought by the affiliate's own marketing efforts. It's a low-cost way to get your product or services out to a wider audience. Affiliates earn a commission when someone makes a purchase or completes a desired action from their referral link. It's a great way to increase brand awareness and build relationships with potential customers. Affiliate marketing is a great way to drive traffic to your website and generate more sales. Affiliate marketing can be used to promote both physical and digital products. You can use affiliate marketing to reach a larger audience than you would be able to with traditional marketing methods. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income. Once you've signed up, you can start promoting products and services to your audience and get paid for it. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to find an affiliate program and sign up.